HYCM Insight with myself, Giles Cochran, the Chief Currency Analyst here at HYCM. The market mood for the session ahead is as follows. Copper has seen a strong rise higher in the last few weeks over concerns that supply would be hit due to COVID-19 shutdowns in relation to mining operations. However, some of those supply concerns from Chile have now drawn back. Yet copper prices still have plenty of reasons to rally in the medium term. As the globe turns towards a wave of green projects, all of these green projects will involve plenty of copper wiring, which will mean copper demand will be growing in the medium term. As a result, we can expect copper prices to increase over that medium term. Expect copper buyers on the breakout of the descending trend line. Time horizon, we expect this trade to play out over the next 4 to 6 weeks. And the main trade risk to this outlook is if we see a sharp fall in risk sentiment and the market becomes risk off, we can expect deeper pullbacks in copper prices.